Good morning. Happy Wednesday. As y'all should know, if y'all watch me, Wednesday is my work from home day. So I am working from home, and I decided to kind of do like work at home routine. Because I know a lot of people still work from home or whatever. So this is what I do. So when I used to work from home, honestly, I would have to be at work at 8 a.m. Sorry, I would have to be at work at 8 a.m. and I would roll up out of bed at 7:50, honey, brush my teeth, wash my face, and get to work. Night clothes, pajamas, bonnet, salon, just not prepared for anything. If there's a Zoom call, honey, whose camera was coming on? Not mine. But, and then like my whole day would kind of be blah, right? It would kind of be dragging. I'd be ready to go to bed early, whatever. So now I try to get up about an hour before, or about 45 minutes to 30 minutes before I start work, and get myself together, get dressed. Not really like nice work clothes, but casual clothes. So, you know, if I have like a random Zoom call, I still look decent. Okay, so, and it just helps me. It helps my mental state. It makes me, it makes me more productive at work, rather than just me laying around on the couch with night clothes on and a blanket. So yeah. Y'all know I use Fenty face wash. It is called the Total Cleanser. Let's go ahead and get that going. So I took a shower last night. I take my showers at night, so I don't really have to do too much today. It's a little refreshing. That's it. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows real quick. I showed y'all on my last vlog how to do my eyebrows, so I will be back after I do that. Okay, eyebrows are done. That's fine. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of vitamin C. I'm a little sweaty. A little bit of vitamin C. And I always put my moisturizer and stuff on after my brows, because I just, like, when you put moisturizer on your brows, you can't really draw them on. It just slides. Your brow pen or whatever just be sliding all over the place. So I got that, and I'm just gonna put on some Pond's moisturizer. Pond's. It's gonna be my moisturizer for the day. And look, I'm already starting to feel more awake just by just doing that. Brows and moisturizer. And I'm going to go in with the Laneige lip mask. This, I can't use this at night because I sleep on my face. Like, it'll rub right off. As soon as I'm just chilling at the house, I can just put this on. Wait. I'm about to drink coffee though. Anyway. And that is that for my skincare routine. I'm gonna finish freshening up, throwing my clothes, and we're gonna get this day started. Okay, so this is what we are looking like for work from home. I got this cute Whitney Houston top. It says World Tour from Target, pants from Target, and I think the sweater's from Target as well. Just put my head back in a little ponytail and a headband, and that's it. All All right, so I need coffee. Let's go get coffee. Okay, so it is coffee time. I just want to say thank you to Redmond for sending me this amazing coffee maker. I've never had a coffee maker like this before. I'm a Keurig girl, but my mother has, so it reminds me of when I was a child and I would wake up to the smell of coffee. What I love about this coffee maker is that you can set a timer. So you can put your ground coffee in there in the morning, put your water in the morning. You can put your ground coffee and water in there at night. Set your timer for when you want to have it start brewing in the morning, and it just brews automatically. I love that. I love waking up to the smell of coffee. It's just nothing like it. So I have my coffee set at extra strength. You can tell it's extra strength by them 2 coffee beans on the timer. And you can just set that by holding that program button for 3 seconds. And you can choose, how strong you want your coffee. I love how you can see how much water you have in the tank. And I love that it comes with a filter already in the coffee machine. So you don't have to buy your filters if you don't want. So what I'm excited about is how you can customize your coffee when you use ground coffee. You can add nutmeg, cinnamon, or any other spices that you want to your coffee. Now I pour 12 ounces of water and I use about 4 scoops of coffee. That's like my perfect combination. It's not too strong, just perfect. And my coffee of choice is the Starbucks Fall Blend. Is it too early? Never. It's never too early. This is so good. So, all right, we're just going to set the timer. And as soon as it hits, I think I set it for 7:55 a.m. So as soon as it hits that time, it is going to start brewing automatically. Love that for me. After your coffee is brewed, your coffee maker will go into a keep warm mode. After 2 hours, your coffee maker will automatically cut off, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so I'm not going to lie, I'm really simple when it comes to my coffee. I don't do much, just 2 packs of Splenda and some creamer. Whatever creamer I'm feeling at the time. I'm really simple. I just need the coffee to do what it's supposed to do. Okay, I need some energy. I need to perk up, and this definitely had me going. This coffee is so good. Y'all definitely need to try that fall blend. It's just really good. So I will leave the link to this amazing coffee maker and a discount code and these coffee cups in the description box below. Check it out. So I just want to say a special thank you to Redmond for sending me that amazing coffee maker. I just can't wait until the colder months when fall really hits and I can experiment with different spices and flavors and all of that to put into my coffee. It's giving me all the fall feels. So I just cannot wait. Definitely check them out. I'll have some special coupon codes in the description box below. Give them a try. It's just the fact that you can set your timer for whatever time you want in the morning and wake up to freshly brewed coffee. I can't. All right, you guys, so now It is time to start working. I was gonna fix myself something to eat, but I'm running a little late, so I'll just fix myself something to eat on my first break. But yeah, so I just start my day out working. Emails, text messages, all of that. So y'all, emails be emailing, because what does this many people have to say to me? Waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you and me too. It was me and you. Now, I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Now, baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now, I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Now, baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let. My camera's about to die. Okay, so I know my little work setup is not ideal, and this is temporary. This is because I just don't have an extra monitor. So if I had like extra monitors, which I need like 2 extra monitors, as soon as I get that, I'm going to set it up in our office. Our office right now was right there, but we're actually going to make that into like an extra kind of like den, well, we're actually going to make that into like a den. So like just an extra little place to hang out. We're going to put a TV in there, some comfy couches. Just, you know, when we have friends and family over, there's just like an extra area to hang out. Because right now it's really not cozy to really hang out in. I mean, there's like a little couch in there, but that's it. There's no TV. I do have a computer desk and a computer in there, but the computer I've had for like 15 years. It doesn't even really work anymore. So what we're going to do is, my son is moving out. Well, he's moved out, and he left his desk. He said he's not going to take it. So we're actually going to make the new office his room, and we're going to get all set up and stuff like that. And we'll probably even take that little couch that's in there and put it up there and just make it into like a nice office space. And in there, like I said, we're going to make it into just like a den, like an extra room for us to hang out in. So really excited about that. But I don't even have extra monitors, which, like I said in my I think one of my last vlogs, it just, it really makes it kind of hard to you know, to navigate. It really makes it kind of hard to kind of navigate all the different screens and tabs and stuff I need to have open. I'm starting to get a headache already. Let me get my little blue light glasses. Also, you're on the computer all day, blue light glasses are a must. These have made such the difference. When I'm working, I don't get headaches as easy. My eyes don't get like dry. I don't know, but it does work. So I do suggest just grabbing a pair. I mean, you can get them right from Amazon, real cheap. You can get like a 3-pack for like $20. So, and they're cute too. But yeah, let me finish working. I just want to kind of explain my little, it's not, but it's going to change. It's going to change. We're going to get it together. I am kind of looking into what monitors I want to get for that room upstairs. And yeah, so I'm definitely going to take y'all along with me when I redo these 2 rooms, because those are pretty big projects to do. So really excited. Hopefully we'll have it done before Thanksgiving, maybe. What's the date? Was it August? Yeah, we should have it up before Thanksgiving. So I'm about to start doing some research on things and how I want that to be in there, kind of the vibe. So yeah. Anyway, let me get to work out. I gotta call someone who has missed like 3 days. She missed Tuesday. She missed 1, 2. Oh Lord, she got to go. She's missed 3 days and the project just started. So yeah, I gotta reach out to her. Anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Probably when I fix myself something to eat, because I'm starting to get a little hungry. This is giving me all my life, by the way. Bella, no. I'm not getting none of my food.
Is that the title of the song? Oh my god. This song literally got me like, I feel like I'm ready. Baby, that's it. I'm just gonna be a player for the rest of my life. That's it. That's all. What is life without love? And to find it, even if ain't no oil, like, oh my god, this foundation is pressure, okay? Pressure. It's fucking.
Hopefully it focuses on my face. But y'all, so it's my lunch break.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
Y'all ever have neighbors that you just don't like? I don't like to use the racist card or whatever, because everybody ain't racist. But everybody's not racist. But I really feel like they're racist. I really feel like it. It is 5 o'clock. Do y'all know what that means? I wasn't even gonna have wine. I was having a good day. And right at the end, The devil tried me. Right at the end, the devil tried me. I had to pull myself together. Ran it a little bit with my my co-worker. And yeah, here we are. So I think I'm gonna cook some steaks for dinner, some steaks and broccoli. I'll probably wait a little bit. I think my husband will be home soon, so I don't want to cook them too soon. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Until then, I'm just gonna shut my mind off. Find something on Netflix to get into and recite positive affirmations to myself. Woo, child. Anyway. Work day. I will pick y'all back up maybe when I start cooking. Pray for me.